Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the first in a series of videos about the Honor Pad 8, Android-based tablet from Honor. Now, those of you who watch the Tech Travel Geeks regularly will probably know that last week we were at the launch of the Honor 70 smartphone in London, and one of the products that was launched was the Honor Pad 8. Now, today in Berlin, the official global announcement was made for the Honor Pad 8 as well as for the Honor 70. And so today we're going to unbox and give you a quick view of the Honor Pad 8. I'm going to use my jerry-rig everything knife to cut around the cellophane that surrounds the box. Now, this is a really interesting Android tablet in the sense that it's really focuses on two things here, and it's all about media consumption in my view. So you see the front of the box has the Honor branding on it and the fact that it's an Honor Pad 8. I think I've got all the bits out. And the screen here is apparently the highlight of the device. We had a play around with it at the launch and I was really impressed. So I'm quite excited to see how this does. Now, this is the unboxing video where we'll take the Honor Pad 8 out and look at what is included in the box. And we'll be following this video up with this full setup video tomorrow. So if you're not already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We will be doing a series of videos on this device. So if you're subscribed, you'll be aware of what we'll be covering with notifications if you mash that bell. Anyway, power cable here. So this is a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. Great. That means that it's the same charger as on the Honor 70, on the Honor Magic 4 Pro. It's essentially the same charger as we see across multiple devices. And the charger it comes with is an Honor Supercharge one. More specifically, this is 10 volts at 2.25 amps, maximum output 22.5 watt output, which is pretty impressive for a small charger like this. Now, obviously, if you're traveling, you don't need to take multiple chargers, just the one should do for your phone and tablet. This is a really good offering. And that seems to be it. There's nothing else in the box. This seems to just be padding. It is. So I'll put the cardboard aside and we'll have a quick look at the hardware of the tablet itself. So this is a plastic sleeve for the tablet. I'll just take that out and we'll take this Honor sticker off. It's a good sticker, as in it's quite difficult to get off, but it's peeling nicely. It doesn't seem to be ripping, which means it should be good. So quite a bit of glue there, but never mind. You can see that we have the Honor branding there in the middle of the tablet in landscape mode. An AI camera. This is a 5 megapixel one capable of recording full high definition video. And the tablet itself. This is a 12-inch tablet. It's an impressive size. So I'm just going to quickly turn it on to have a look at the bezels on the screen, to have a look at this lovely LCD screen. So this is a 5:3 aspect ratio display. It is an IPS LCD one, and it's 2000 by 1200 pixels. So it's not a canonical 16:9 aspect ratio screen. It's a slightly different aspect ratio. And the hardware, it's lovely aluminium. That's aluminium, not aluminum, my American friends. Chassis is surprisingly light for the size of the device. As I said, this is a 12-inch tablet, so it's no small tablet. And as you can see, the bezels are not very large. It has relatively slim bezels all the way around. But at the top there's a little selfie camera that's another 5 megapixel sensor capable of recording full high definition video. And as you can see, holding this tablet, it is a nice sizable one. Now, one of the key features of this tablet is going to be, or one of the key uses of this tablet is for media consumption. Obviously, with a lovely 12-inch display, which is relatively high resolution, almost 200 pixels per inch, this is going to be very well suited to media consumption. But not just for that, the Honor Pad 8 has 8 speakers around the device. So there seems to be 2 sides, so left and right, stereo, but there seems to be on the inside 8 separate speakers, so you get very high quality audio coming out of it. And then at the top here we have the power button and the volume rocker and the antenna band. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing to go with in terms of cellular connectivity, so there's no SIM slot. There's no expansion with this tablet, as in there's no space to add a micro SD card. But the configuration we were sent, if I'm not mistaken, let me just double check. We were sent the 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage device to review here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. You can also purchase the 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB storage model, which is around about £249 at the moment. Now check out all the offers. There's obviously early bird offers, there's other offers available as well. We'll link in the description to where you can purchase this tablet in the UK, as well as to the Honor website. But I think that this is a decent unboxing. We'll go into the specifications and the whole setup experience in our next video. As I said earlier, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. And especially when you're traveling for longer periods of time, it's nice to have a tablet computer to consume media, to read the news whilst you're traveling, and also lessen the hit on your smartphone battery whilst doing so. So in an upcoming trip, I will be taking the Honor Pad 8 as well as the Honor 70 and the Honor Magic 4 Pro, just to live the Honor life on the road and be able to cover that for you. But for now, I'll wrap up this unboxing of the Honor Pad 8 video. We'll be back tomorrow with the setup video where we set up this Android-based tablet running Magic UI. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.